The idea of earning passive income on your crypto is hugely appealing. But if you've been looking into where to earn interest, you may have come across Bitwala. And you're probably asking, what exactly are their interest rates for crypto? Here's the breakdown. Bitwala, which was a German-based crypto banking service, was actually renamed to Nuri back in 2021. And unfortunately, Nuri is no longer operating. Nuri, and by extension the former Bitwala, filed for insolvency in mid-2022 and its services were officially discontinued at the end of 2022. This means their crypto interest-earning accounts are no longer available. So, the short answer to what is Bitwala's interest rate for crypto is zero, because the service is shut down. But let's talk about what they used to offer and what that means for you now. When Nuri was operational, they partnered with Celsius Network to offer interest on Bitcoin. While their rate did fluctuate based on market conditions, historical data shows they offered rates around 5% APY on Bitcoin for a period. Why is this important? Because the closure of Bitwala/Nuri is a stark reminder about the risks associated with third-party crypto interest accounts, especially those that lend out your assets. Always prioritize platforms with strong regulation and transparent risk management. If you are looking to earn passive income now, you'll need to explore other options like staking on major exchanges or using decentralized finance, or DeFi, protocols. But always do your own thorough research on the security and regulatory status of any platform before depositing your funds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more essential crypto info.